about to cut all that out. I was listening to some music in my head. And you know, y'all have been requesting a lot of wigs. Thank y'all. So I'm coming to you guys to teach you how to measure your dome. Okay? You cannot say, girl, make me a wig, and Charlie wear the same one I got. Girl, my head is big. You are 19, you got a little peanut head. It's not gonna work, sis. Okay, first things first. Don't judge me, okay? Look, let me just take this off real quick, okay? I can't believe I'm letting y'all see me like this. Listen. Alright? Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Bam. Okay, so first things first. You want to make sure on your dome, put your little wig cap on, honey. To get correct measurements, y'all, you want to make sure that your hair is braided down, flat, whatever. In order to make your wig fit, you can't measure your hair in a poof ponytail and then you try to braid your hair down and put the wig on and you're like, it's too big. It's because you have to measure your hair the way that you're gonna wear it. So if you're gonna wear braids, go on braid your hair down and then you're gonna measure it. If you're gonna wear it in a ponytail, put it real tight to the back and then measure it. So the first measurement, normally we do about 3. So let's start here. You're gonna take this, we're gonna do the first one is the circumference. Circumference is around your head. Whether you have a big head or a peanut head, I need all that. So you're gonna go around the back here. Woo! I ain't gonna go too far. I want y'all to see my naps. I got a little beady beads back there. Okay, because I'm natural / relax. Don't worry about it. Anyway, we're gonna go around to the ear. As you can see, we're gonna be above the ear but behind it. You're gonna come to the front. You are going to use the metal piece. Do not go past the metal piece. Here, you're gonna come in, touch it, and bam. I am a size 22. Okay, 22. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna write that first measurement down. The second one you're gonna do is over ear to ear. You're gonna be on top of the ear. Top, y'all, right here. On top. On top of the ear, across. Directly across your head. Boom. Okay? You're gonna go ahead and write that measurement down. Then you're gonna go from the front of the head to the nape. The nape is the back of your head. Right to the back of your head and write that measurement, okay? So for my frontal wigs, ladies, frontal wigs, I'm also gonna take a measurement from ear to ear, on the top of my ear as well, around here to my forehead, okay? To about right here. Most people are about 11. You might get some that's a few 12s, anything like that, you know. But most people are in 11. I am a 12, okay? So it is good to get that measurement because it does help me with the frontals, because you can't, frontals come 13 by 4, 13 by 6. If you mess around, put that 13 on here for that wig, honey, you gonna have sideburn to where you put your blush at. And you don't want that. Okay, so what we're gonna do basically, like I said, give me those measurements. Those measurements are gonna be for a Made Couture Collection wig, for most wigs, basically. And if you need any more help, just let me know. I'm gonna put this video up so you guys can see exactly what you need to do. If you do not have a measuring tape, baby, get you a belt. Get your belt. Do what you need to do, okay? That belt, you do the same thing. Put that belt around that head. Get you some concealer or a white marker or anything that's colored, and you're gonna mark it on the belt. Then you can go back and measure it with whatever measuring tape you have at home. You can get these from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, I mean anywhere, okay? Hell, go in the store, get one, measure and leave. Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? So what you're gonna do, make sure you have those measurements. You're gonna send those measurements in. Make sure to email me if you have any questions. Don't call me. I'm just playing. So email me if you have any questions. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments below. Give this one a thumbs up, honey. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Oh, hold on. Before we leave, I want to put my wig on. Tell y'all bye. Give me a second. Wait. Let me pull it back some. Don't. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that wig up to your eyebrows right there. Okay. Only me because my hairline a little low. Okay. So anyway, bye y'all. And stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with a video on how to revamp this wig. Right now it's real bushy and stuff like that. So stay tuned and I'll see y'all later. Bye.